And indeed, a proud moment for entire JITO community.
One drop seems small, yet it creates waves that travel far beyond. Imagine the power when many drops become an ocean. Together, we are stronger than any obstacle, like the guardians of our nation, shoulder to shoulder, heart to heart. One may stumble, but when united, we rise. Because the game of life is not about I, it's about we. A million voices, yet one roar, one nation, one spirit, different colors, different strengths, woven together. They create one fabric of unity. When every hand comes together, the bigger picture shines. Alone we flutter, but together we soar. Our festivals remind us, when we stand on each other's shoulders, we touch the impossible. At JITO, we come together as one community. We share knowledge, we build networks, we celebrate culture. Together, we create a better tomorrow for our community, for our nation, for the world. 1,000 flames, one fire, 1 billion hearts, one nation, one belief, one destiny. We are many, yet we are one, boundless, eternal, infinite. When India unites, no obstacle is too great, no dream too distant, because together we are the power